giant bazooka. So there's this one, and there's also the Zaku bazooka, which looks less big. All right, let's get this into those hammies. Oops. Got ourselves a twisty finger here. Okay. All right. There we have it, folks. Our Black Tri-Stars Zaku 2 is complete and looking real snazzy. Is the difficulty to build all these all the same, or is there ones for beginners? There are Fox ones. There's one's called entry grade and high grade. This is a master grade, but entry and high grade are way easier to get into. They're smaller, got bigger pieces, but look at this guy. I just threw him into a quick pose. Real quick. But yeah, this rocked. His legs are awesome. I need to get this guy on a action base or something. Oof, but yeah, that looks real good. So detailed. I need to put all the decals on it still, but I'll make that an activity for me. But yeah, next time, we're gonna be building the Rick Dom. So that'll be fun. Another big Xeon kit. And then I think I'm gonna do a Lego thing after I build that one. But yeah, thanks for watching, everybody. There's let's get one more peek at our beautiful Xeon. I'll get to it eventually, Blue Bomber. I just don't have the resources at the moment. But let's see, who shall we raid this night? Ah! You know what? Let's raid Lawrence. We haven't raided Lawrence in a long time. He's playing Cult of the Lamb. So maybe you can go over there and fuck with them a little bit. Ah! Oh, you're welcome, Ricky. Thank you for hanging out. Have a great rest of your week, everybody. And I will talk to you next time. I'll stream later this week. I'll finish Stray finally. But yeah, keep an eye on the Discord. I will post there when it's gonna happen. Bye, folks. I forgot about the raid countdown. So this is awkward. Wave bye, you little shit. Farewell. There, done. Go. Be gone.